If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the AnnaBean Tote. Now I am really happy to introduce this one as I am the co-designer of this style of bag. Myself and my friend Anna worked 2 years on designing this bag, working on getting the perfect carry-on bag for travel or what have you, or just a large tote if you're a big purse type of person. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it has a magnetic snap slip pocket here, as well as behind that you have another slip pocket behind that slip pocket. On the back you have a welt slip pocket, great for your cell phone for easy access. Lots of pockets in this bag. You have grab handles which could be made longer into shoulder straps if you wanted to, as well as the crossbody strap, purse feet, piping, and the best part of this, ready? 3 zippered compartments in the main compartment. So the main compartment is in the middle, and you'll see it is quite large, and you have 2 slip pockets and a zipper pocket on the one side. And then you have the 2 other zipper compartments. They're both the same size. Let me open one of them up for you. Quite roomy still. You can fit a small laptop in there or your iPad and all your necessities, of course. And the other side is exactly the same. Yeah, I hope you guys love this bag as much as I do. It can be made in leathers, faux leathers, cottons, canvases, anything you like. We could color block it. There's so much you could do with this bag. Anyways, if you're one of my clients, you want to order one of these bags, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the bag makers community, of course, we have a tutorial on this one. So yeah, if you're seeing this, the pattern has been released. Make sure you go and grab your pattern. How to get it is all down below. Again, this is a collaboration between myself and my best friend of Galaxy Customs. Anyways, until the next ones, I'll see you guys again. Bye.